everyone, and welcome to or back to my channel. Today I'm back with a super exciting video. I'm gonna be doing a spring cleaning, decluttering, organizing vlog. I filmed one of these for the new year and you guys seem to really like it. I absolutely love filming these videos. It really helps me be productive. My room is just very cluttered right now. My apartment is also really messy. I feel like everything needs dusted, vacuumed. I just need to do like a good spring cleaning and also just like decluttering and organizing. I feel like the springtime is the perfect time to just kind of go through everything and declutter. It's just kind of therapeutic. I love doing this like every couple months. I just wanted to take a couple days to kind of clean and get everything organized. I hope you guys enjoy it and find this satisfying and motivating. I think I'm just gonna start off by actually cleaning everything, just kind of doing my weekly reset routine. That is just basically kind of picking everything up, dusting, vacuuming, and then I think I'm gonna move on to my closet, do like a mini closet clean out, and then I think I'm gonna move on to all my drawers, kind of declutter my makeup, my bathroom drawers. I also just got a package from HelloFresh, so I'm gonna make a delicious HelloFresh meal. I got so many good meals. That's gonna be like a nice treat when I come to a good stopping point. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Definitely thumbs up if you do. Comment below your best cleaning tip or like what is in your cleaning routine. Definitely make sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Turn on the notification bell. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok at emilygrace.26. Let's just get into the cleaning. It is a little bit later. My apartment is looking much cleaner. It's just feeling a lot more fresh. I think I'm actually gonna work on the closet and the decluttering and organizing over the next couple days. I feel like I need a good couple days to do this. For now, I'm gonna make a delicious HelloFresh meal. I mentioned in the beginning, I just got a package from HelloFresh. I'm so excited because all the meals look so good. I got so many good options. I'm actually partnering with HelloFresh on this video, so thank you so much to HelloFresh for sponsoring. I love HelloFresh. It's so good. If you guys have not tried HelloFresh, you definitely should. It is so delicious. I do actually have like a discount code, so I'll put that here on the screen and also have it linked below at the very top of my description. It is literally such a good deal. My sister actually just used it. Her meals were so good and she said it was so convenient, cut out some grocery shopping. It truly is such a good deal and it's so convenient. I have never had a HelloFresh meal that I didn't like. They are all so good. I get so excited when my HelloFresh comes. I'm just gonna get into the cooking. If you're doing some spring cleaning as well, HelloFresh is perfect. You get fresh pre-portioned ingredients delivered right to your door. It makes cooking at home easy, fun, delicious, and affordable. You know the ingredients are fresh because they're picked at peak ripeness and travel from the farm to your home in less than 7 days. One of my favorite things about HelloFresh is that there's no searching the grocery store for that one ingredient for a recipe. HelloFresh takes away all the hassle by delivering pre-portioned ingredients right to your door so you have exactly what you need, and it also cuts down on the food waste. I hate throwing out food when I buy something specific for a recipe and then I never use it again. HelloFresh does more than delicious dinners. You can take your pick from 40 weekly recipes. You can also choose from over 100 items to round out your order, from snacks, easy lunches, desserts, and pantry necessities. Everything arrives in one box on a delivery day you choose. I feel like every HelloFresh meal becomes my new favorite. My family and friends love it as well. One of my personal favorite recipes is the one pan fajita lettuce wraps from HelloFresh. They're so good, so fresh for summer, and also so easy. HelloFresh makes dinner time delicious and easy with options for everyone, from fit and wholesome to pescatarian to veggie. They have a meal plan that suits your lifestyle. Plus, you can swap out proteins and sides to your liking. I actually do have a discount, so if you want to check it out for yourself, go to HelloFresh.com and use code EmilyGrace16 for 16 free meals plus free shipping. Again, go to HelloFresh.com and use code EmilyGrace16 for 16 free meals plus free shipping. It is the next day. I'm going to be working on the closet clean out portion. It is so stuffed, also just like really disorganized. I also kind of like to move things around and reorganize them for the new season. I have been doing some hauls recently. I feel like I have picked up a lot of new stuff for the spring season, so that's probably why it's more full. I'm just gonna kind of go through and see if there's some stuff in there that I just don't really feel like I'm wearing, that doesn't really fit my style, especially with spring coming up. I'm just gonna kind of like reevaluate what is currently in my wardrobe and see if I can find some stuff to get rid of. I like to kind of bring everything out in sections and actually physically remove it from my closet. Once I get through the whole closet, I'm gonna move on to my dresser. I'm gonna kind of go through and just like organize it better. Let's just get started. It is a little bit later. I just went through everything in my closet. I did recently do a closet clean out, so I just didn't really find that much to get rid of. I did kind of organize it and clear a little bit of space, so it's a lot better than it was. It's a little easier to move around things. This is really sad, but these are the only things that I found to get rid of. Now I'm gonna work on my dresser, just kind of like reorganizing it for the spring. I have a lot of like sweat, winter pajamas and stuff like that in there. I have just like a little storage tub that I keep in my coat closet. In the summer, I'll put like all of my extra sweat shorts in there, and I'll just kind of like switch it out for the seasons, and it just kind of like allows a little extra space in my dressers. I'm gonna bring that out and kind of just switch it out for the season. Here's the tub filled with winter clothing pieces, mainly sweatpants and winter pajamas that I switched out for summer pajamas or sweat shorts, denim shorts. I'm just gonna put this back in my coat closet. I literally have an excessive amount of denim shorts. I tried these all on, or most of them. I seriously just love all of these. I will not be buying any denim shorts this year, except for the one pair that I already bought. Denim is like my weakness. A lot of these are like vintage that I've just kind of like thrifted and stuff. I just organized these. They literally fit in there perfectly. And here I have my sweat shorts. Last year I had like a whole drawer of sweat shorts, so I must have gotten rid of a lot. These are all like my favorite Brandy Melville sweat shorts. Like they're all just like really good basic fitting sweat shorts. And then these are all my sweatpants, like the ones I have on right now. I just have a whole bunch of colors. I wear them like all the time, like depending on the weather. If it's warm, I'll do the shorts. And if it's cooler, I'll do these. And then I have some that are more of like a fleece material, so I just actually folded those and put them in my closet. This is kind of like weird how I did this, but it's the only way they would fit. And these are just like my Jerv Avenue breezy shorts. I also kind of collected some of these last year. I love them. Pajamas. I have like all of my sets pretty much here, and then like some more sweatpants here. They're all pretty much like lightweight sweats, like very flowy and lightweight. Kind of have some more sweat shorts and stuff like that. This is everything I found to get rid of. Honestly, not very much, but I did organize everything. That is everything for the closet clean out portion. I still want to go through all of my drawers and organize them. I kind of went crazy during the Sephora sale and I got a lot of like skincare and makeup. I just kind of like threw it in my drawer. My makeup drawer is kind of a mess. That is what I'm gonna work on tomorrow. I've got my coffee and I'm ready to do some more organizing. I'm gonna declutter and organize my makeup, my skincare, just kind of go through a bunch of my drawers and organize and declutter them. I think I'm gonna focus on my makeup and skincare, my bathroom drawers, also this little IKEA dresser over there. Just kind of go through the whole thing and just get rid of anything that I'm not using. Also, my bathroom drawers are very unorganized, specifically the one that I have all my makeup in. I really want to go through that one and just kind of take anything out that I'm not using on a daily basis. Anything extra, I just put in that little IKEA dresser. It's a little bit more contained, a little bit more organized. Right now, it's just like a big pile of makeup and it's not organized. That's probably the first thing I'm gonna do. I also just have some skincare that's a little bit disorganized. I have like a little tray on my bathroom counter where I put like my nightly skincare, like the stuff that I use every night. I kind of have like a system. I've also started to just kind of pile everything up on that. So now it is no longer the stuff that I reach for daily. I also just kind of want to go through that and just have it a little bit more organized and put the extra stuff that I don't reach for as often in the drawer with my skincare. That is kind of the plan. I also want to go through my jewelry. This is something I've been wanting to do for so long. I literally never go through my jewelry. I just want like a better system for my jewelry to just kind of go through it and get rid of the stuff that I never really wear. Bathroom drawers, IKEA dresser, and jewelry I think are like the main things I'm going to focus on. Let's just get started with my bathroom drawers, specifically the makeup. It is a little bit later. I went through my bathroom drawers and I found quite a bit of makeup that I'm not really using like every single day. By taking that out, it's much more clean and organized and less cluttered. So the stuff that I'm not using every day but I still really like, I'm just gonna put in here in this little IKEA dresser. I just went through my IKEA dresser, which has like skincare, makeup, sunglasses, phone cases. There really wasn't much in there that I'm not using. I feel like everything in there I actually really like. I feel like it was actually pretty organized, more than I expected. Now I'm gonna move on to the jewelry. I have like a jewelry case, like jewelry organizer thing, but it just has like a whole bunch of random jewelry in it that I definitely don't use. Don't remember the last time I went through it. So I think I'm just gonna kind of like dump it out, just like organize it better with stuff that I actually wear. I'm organizing my jewelry. I have this little jewelry case that I got a long time ago from the Container Store. It looks like this. So I just put a bunch of like little earrings in this middle section. And then I have a bunch of random silver jewelry over here. I don't have a lot of silver jewelry, so I think I'll just keep the silver jewelry I have here. I might order one of these or maybe even two of these and put all of my rings in one and then earrings in one. And that way it'll just be so much more organized and way easier to see what I have. This is just like not a good system. Basically I just separated all my rings and then earrings out, and I have like the perfect amount to do the earrings in one and then the rings in one. So I think I might order some of those. I also have a bunch of watches So I might get like the deeper one to put on the bottom to put all my watches in. It probably won't come in time for when I need to upload this. I think I'm just gonna leave it like this for now, and I'll definitely show that in like a future video once I get it in. I think I might order this one to put like some watches and maybe just like extra jewelry. And I might also order one for my mom for Mother's Day. She's mentioned she wants like a better way to organize her jewelry. That is my plan. It's like super mini. Also, it's not very big, but I feel like it's like the perfect storage solution. I also have all of this. It's so random. I think this came with a One Direction perfume. All of this is like so dusty, but I'm just gonna go through this really quickly. I feel like I'm probably gonna get rid of a lot of it. That is everything for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed and found this entertaining, satisfying, motivating. I personally love any kind of cleaning montage. I hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely give it a big thumbs up if you did enjoy, and comment below your best cleaning tip or something you like to do to make cleaning more enjoyable. Thank you so much to HelloFresh for sponsoring today's video. I'll have my discount here on the screen and also linked below at the very top of my description. I definitely recommend checking out HelloFresh. I'm so obsessed. Over the last couple days as I've been cleaning, I've been eating my HelloFresh meals and they're all so good. My room is so much cleaner now, so much more organized. I also picked up some fresh flowers, some fresh little tulips, which just adds a nice little spring touch. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you'd like to see more cleaning vlogs on my channel. Comment this emoji if you stayed until the end of the video. I will see you in a couple days for my next video. Bye.